What is up YouTube? My name is Aditya and welcome back to my channel The Indian Algo. आज इस वीडियो में मैं डिस्कस करने वाला हूं आपके साथ निफ्टी के लाइव एग्जीक्यूशंस। आज की ट्रेड मेरी हुई थी करीबन यहाँ कहीं पे मेरी एंट्री हुई थी एंड आई एग्जिटेड समवेयर हियर। आई वांटेड टू सी कि ये लिक्विडिटी आज हंट होगी जो अभी हंट हो रही है एंड अराउंड आज भी हम 2% का प्रॉफिट देख सकते थे। लेकिन थोड़ी बहुत चीजें हो जाती है जब आप लाइव ट्रेड लेते हो ना, तो चीजें ऊपर नीचे होने लगती है। मैं एक ड्रॉडाउन से रिकवर करके मार्केट को एक अपने आप को एक प्रॉफिट के सिनारियो में लेके आया था। तो आज का प्रॉफिट होता है 4391 रुपीज का, विच इज मोर देन 1%, एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी अबाउट इट। अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हो और आपने मेरा फ्री टेलीग्राम ग्रुप ज्वाइन नहीं किया है, सो द लिंक इज डाउन इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन, गो अहेड ज्वाइन दिस चैनल। यहाँ पे मैं आपको मार्केट में होने से पहले क्या मार्केट आज क्लैरिटी दे सकती है उस चीज को मैं फॉलो करता हूँ। टुडे आई विल बी टेकिंग थिंग्स स्लो। स्लो मतलब कि मार्केट मॉर्निंग में कंसोलिडेट कर सकती है एंड वहीं पे मैं स्लो हो गया था। ये क्लैरिटी होना इंपॉर्टेंट है। 940 को मैंने आपको एक क्लैरिटी दी। आई स्टिल वांट टू सी दिस, बट द प्राइस हैज नॉट प्रेजेंटेड एज अ मूव टू द अपसाइड येट। मतलब कि मैं एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा हूँ प्राइस जाएगा 24,702 की तरफ पे, वही मैंने आपके साथ शेयर किया है। तो ये सारी चीजें मैं रेगुलर शेयर करता हूँ। मेंटीज के साथ मैंने आज शेयर किया था कि आज आइदर साइड एक स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड ट्रेंडिंग मूव आने वाला है। दो इट्स डिफिकल्ट टू शेयर अ शॉर्ट शॉर्ट बायस, मैंने उनके साथ शॉर्ट शॉर्ट बायस शेयर नहीं किया, बट आई वेरी क्लियरली टोल्ड देम कि आज एक स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड ट्रेंडिंग मूव आने वाला है। तो क्या रीजन होता है उसका? ऑर्डर फ्लो वो समझते हैं, कब एंट्री करनी है वो समझते हैं, एंड इवेंचुअली दे टेक एडवांटेज ऑफ द सेम। Alright guys, so without wasting any more time, ensure कि भाई आप सब्सक्राइब करो, like this video as much as you can, share this with as many people as you can. Don't forget to subscribe. आने दो यार, ये चीजें मैं रोज आपको प्रॉफिट करके दिखा रहा हूँ। रोज प्रॉफिट करके दिखाने की बात नहीं है, बट मैं रोज एग्जीक्यूशन शेयर कर रहा हूँ आपके साथ। मैं आपको अपना वेरीफाइड पीएनएल दिखा रहा हूँ, सब कुछ कर रहा हूँ, तो एक सब्सक्राइब और शेयर तो बनता ही बनता है। Alright guys, so without wasting any more time, let's jump on to the video. We've gone up again, but the volatility is too high and it's not the best. However, if I see an order flow continuation, I will take this into consideration now. It's probably not the best decision, but I feel I can add more positions to this trade. Let's go for it. Okay. Come on, quick, quick. It's a little too risky, very risky actually. But whatever my entry is, this has to be my stop loss now. So my stop loss is that volume imbalance right now. This is my stop loss. The volatility is too big. I wish to see some continuation in price because this still has a lot of way to go. Bank Nifty has a lot of way to go up. I feel this needs to be tapped in now. So if Bank Nifty is willing to do that, even Nifty will have a lot of willingness to do that. I will have to collapse all the trade together. I see anything here. Hmm, it's probably not the best decision that I've made today. And I entered a little too heavy right now. That's why it's even riskier. As you can see, that VI right there is my stop loss. The volatility, everything is too high. Okay. Mm, I can see that going against me. I should have allowed this to show support at least. Alright, just be mindful that if it's trying to go against you, I'll just collapse the trade. The numbers. Okay. If it doesn't bounce up from the higher portion of this 50%, then it's not good at all. It's not trying to go in my favor. Yep. It's just messing around, and there's literally no point that this trade will work out now. All right. Mm, just watching it now. All I know is if it can go up, it will. Okay, this is nothing. This is where the prices are going. So if there's any willingness to see a run, and this is exactly a setup that should play out to show us that run. It's going to be I'm waiting for that 100-point run. I do see a 100-point run coming in if Bank Nifty is also willing to go up. The Nifty from here onwards can give us a 100-point run. Soon as it takes out these highs, I will be taking out a partial. see this going up very well. Honestly, I see this going up. And if Bank Nifty can quickly give me a run towards here, I'll be watching it. Need to see cut. I need to cut something out of my trade. Okay, and now I will exit 75 from here. Okay, I should have exited it from here actually. Anyway, so now I will let this trade run. We'll let this trade run. From here, it has to run 88 points. That means 90 points. To, okay, that's we'll still see good numbers there if I can see the price run for it. And I feel this is nothing. I will obviously try to hold it up until there. I will actually do that. I know I haven't booked much and not better prices, but I feel this is the start of the move. It's going to be trending, and if it's trending enough, we have a nice run higher. That should be almost 120 points. So I need to see that 120 points run. Shouldn't have exited positions there. Should have stayed into it. I could have seen something even better. Anyway, that's the thing. I'm going to hold on to this. As you can see, we are in green now. This is where exactly I should have cut my first partial actually. So that's one mistake that I did. I will trail my stop loss now to the high of this fair value gap. Going to beat this. Waiting, I want to see the price leave this area just like that. And if we can continue higher, I'm aiming for a better run above. I should have stayed in with more quantities actually. Thing is, I really should have held on to the major quantities there. It was actually too good. Anyway, I will hold on to this a bit more. We have a target of 142. I'm trying to hold on to it entirely. I know whatever amount we are up, it's good. But I want to see this really aim for this level. And Nifty really should continue higher. I don't see any reason for Nifty to not continue up. Yes, something like that. And if I check this, we have crossed above the major areas and Mm, I do see the price running for that NDOG, and I don't see the price really to cut this trade off. I will now keep my stop loss here. There's no point trying to save this trade from a drop there. So I will hold on to it. I have all the reasons to see that target, and I'm going to see that buy side liquidity up there. That's what I'm aiming for. Should have saved something for better executions. Anyway, we're going up. I like this. We have a range of more 70 points. Okay. I'm actually going to hold on to it because I know that it's a trending day, and I know if it's showing any willingness to go up, it will be good. Mm, It has to show me all the willingness to go up, honestly. We have a bigger target today, and I really do not see things failing until we reach for that. I mean, I can be wrong there, but those highs on the daily time frame, they are too good. If you just have a look at them, they're too good. Okay, maybe I'm wrong about it. This is showing a little more than usual retracement for me. I'll watch it around here. It needs to stay above the NWG. Again, it's a little difficult to just conclude that because the price can drop down here and there's a problem. It's tough for me as a mentor there to really just tell you that, okay, fine, take that because I myself might exit the trade if things do not fall in place there. Yes, you see that? It's not good enough. I'm waiting for the 3 minutes to close. Maybe it will form a fair value gap and then we'll see something better. I obviously don't want to see it drop here. If it's trying to do that, then it has no strong bullishness yet. It wasn't the easiest to get into this trade today. Mm, See, it's not good. It's going all the way down. I wish to see it quickly go back up from here. As a 5 minute candle, I want to see it quickly go back up from there.
8:30 opening prices here. I want to see them quickly support the prices. A good Judas swing on the 8:30 opening price can lead to higher prices here, leading to buy side and a very, very big run, better run up upwards is what I want to see now. There is some sort of rejections which I like, but it's not enough. Not good enough. Okay. If it doesn't go up quickly, then there's no point. Yes, I wanted to see some quickness in price. The move was very good actually, but I don't see follow-ups. And this is fine. We got like an entire day to close. So this was to happen. But I feel if we can continue to go up, we have a very good run that can take place. So I have to be into this trade a little longer than I would prefer. I like the fact that we are supporting the NWOG. I like the fact that we have created a fair value gap. And I want to see it really push up quickly, even better. So I want to hold on to this trade. I really could have done better by not exiting that extra partial that I exited. Was supposed to be held on to little for a little longer time period. So I would have then taken a partial. It would have been very good. It's a little risky about from here also, but all the way here is what Bank Nifty is trying to do. And if we go up there, then Nifty also will spike up along with it. And that's a very good sign that I'm looking for in Nifty. Yep, there are willingness to go higher, and I would like to see it go all the way up, something like this. Yes, the new week opening gap is very strong here today, and if we can lead to this, that's what I'm looking for. Currently, I have 75 quantities. That means if I can see the price run for 80 more points, that'll be decent profits. I want to see strength, more strength. The willingness to leave this area needs to be higher than just trying to take any resistance here. Okay, I don't like that. I honestly don't feel it will drop down, but it can. I mean, we cannot be too sure or 100% sure about it. But I honestly see something bigger today. Yes, that's a good run. Higher. I like this to be even better. And this has all the reason now to go up above this and run for those highs. I like the fact we're above, or we're almost near 4,000, nearing 4,000 profits. Okay, breaking above 4,000 as well. And I wish to see this also come up in Bank Nifty. We are above 4,500, 4,600 right now.
नहीं नहीं थोड़ा रुक जाइए.
4,900, 4,800, 4,700. I do feel that there's a very strong spike up. Okay. Uh, that's where I have to be very mindful right now that are those highs really coming up or not? Because if those highs are not coming up, then I might see things not be too good for us, right? Okay, we're very close to seeing those highs now. 4,800, 4,600 right now. I need to see a very quick spike up from here. Feel wait. mm, I honestly feel this will be bigger than what we would really consider. We have all the way up there towards that high, but I'm very much interested only until here. Okay, there is some drop back lower. I feel I'm going to hold on to it a little bit. I don't want to see these numbers dropping by a big margin as well. So that's where I have to be mindful if I should really do that stunt or not, because those equal highs are very clean to me, and I feel that we can go up there. And the void here also in Bank Nifty is very much open, and I want to see that void as well. We are very quickly approaching that void in Bank Nifty, and we are very quickly approaching those equal highs in Nifty. Mm, okay, that's not something I would like here, as the prices are rejecting that area, and if it continues to do that, it could be a little not too good for me. For now, we haven't really broken any order flow. That's the reason I want to still stay into this trade. I mean, obviously it can break this easily, but for now we haven't broken anything. That's something good to consider, maybe. I want to see it go back above that high at least. I want to see quickness straight up, trying to keep this stay open as much as it can. And that will be a very good area for me to consider, honestly. 4,400 is a very good number, but I feel today we can get a bigger number, 4,300. And I don't want to be greedy. That's the point. I don't want to be greedy, but if things do not go in my favor, I'll have to. Like it has a very high chance of being profitable for me. As you can see, today I mentioned that either side of the bias will be strong and trending. though it's difficult to share a strong or share short bias, but somehow uh, it was more of trying to be into the trade today. And all I know is that it's going to be a stronger move, something like this. Okay, I do see some numbers coming in, and I need another few more points worth of spike. Okay, that's bad. We haven't broken the margin of 5,000 profits yet, and I wish to do that today. We would have done it if my partial was a little higher. This month we haven't booked anything more than 5,000, so I'm trying to see if we can really get a hang of it this time, which should really support this fair value gap. Only then I will see something like it playing for me. And it's tough to really call out. It's really tough. At this point, it's really tough. Because if I do not book it right now, it will just go back to half of the profits, and I don't want to see that. A spike is needed from here onwards. A very good spike is needed. I feel that spike is coming in. Bank Nifty should also do that. I honestly want to see Bank Nifty go up very quickly now. There should be a spike in Bank Nifty. Nifty is going up. Okay, that's where it's getting some sort of resistance. It's not good for me to see this. I want to see this bounce from here itself. Then the numbers will be easily better, or else it's just dropping down to this fair value gap, and then we don't know how low can it go. It can go deep down all the way. That's not what I want to see. That's the reason I want to see quickness, 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 quickness. That's the thing. We want to see quickness. It needs to be quickness, or else just get out of this trade. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा हम वेट कर रहे हैं. थोड़ा सा वेट करूंगा और ज्यादा नहीं. अभी तक हो जाना चाहिए मूव. आ जाना चाहिए मूव. ठीक है, 5,000, 5,100. यस. ओके. We're very close to see bigger. I need to see this. This is extremely important from here till here. It's not about extremely important, but that's a target. That's something that I would want to see and really book. Very close towards it. I don't know if I should really wait for it or not. Okay, that's the thing. That's the point. Should have booked it. All right. Fine. Very close to those areas. And I feel it has to be there. I don't really can't see it coming down. It needs to be there. It's supporting the opening range gap, and it needs to quickly support this idea and just shoot up. Eh, the problem is it's taking a lot of time, and I don't want to give it a lot of time now. Because if it's trying to take a lot of time, then I don't want to. Yeah, you see that? Hmm, it was supposed to be quick. Okay, all the way down into the square value gap. All right, it's time to probably collapse this now. Okay, I'm just waiting for a few more minutes. I really feel that the order flow is still bullish and we should be trending higher. Chalega, let's book it. This is not what I would expect the price to do, really. Anyway, we booked 4,391. I'll end this here. Thank you so much. Bye.